Happy 2019, my angels. I posted on Instagram, and I've like just gotten straight into this vlog. I posted on Instagram a couple of days ago, and I felt so like light after posting that, but posting like how I was feeling over the past like year or so. But I thought I would start this new year off with a new vlog, and we are currently in our new house. It's really echoey in here. We just had the carpet fitters come in. We're gonna go and choose some paints. We're then gonna test the paints out on the walls. Over the past like 3 weeks, we have been, oh no, not even 3 weeks, like a month or so. We've been like crazy just scrambling around, figuring out what to do with this house. We're so excited to be moving in. I thought I'd take you guys along on the journey of exactly what it's like to like move in and stuff. We're doing a lot of stuff from scratch because we really wanted like a new start and a new home, and so excited to be finally living with my husband. I spoke about this on my Instagram stories about how we were like doing half of our weeks living together and half of our weeks living apart, and I had so many messages from people saying that they're in a similar situation where they've either got like a long distance relationship or they only see their partner on the weekends, and they found a lot of comfort in the fact that like we went through the same thing. I'm so glad that I can finally just like speak to you guys about everything, because I was feeling quite like, would you say like I was like shelled off? I was quite like really private about stuff. Like I just didn't used to talk about things. I'm gonna prop you on the carpet sample thing here. Maybe not, it's not sticking up. What are we doing today? We are doing carpet stuff, paint stuff, floor stuff, very adult stuff. But yeah, we'll take you guys along, because today is a full day of just getting some house bits sorted. So over like the Christmas and New Year's period, like a lot of places were shut, a lot of people were on holiday. We are super excited, we cannot wait. I just can't wait to have just like family and friends over. Like I grew up just living like literally in a house full of like family and friends. They always used to be over, so I'm really excited for that. It's gonna be a really, really exciting year, and I'm gonna try and like vlog at least once a week. Whether or not I'll stitch that into like one vlog or separate vlogs, or like I'll play by ear, but there's some really exciting stuff happening in January. Next week we're off to Paris, which is super exciting. We're going with Dior. My husband's never been to Paris, and I've always been... Oh, he has been to Paris, but we've never been together, and I really like it whenever I go there. I think it's such a romantic, beautiful city. January is a super, super, super busy month. I thought it'd be really like quite chilled out. But over the past 3 or 4 years, I've kind of slowly realized that every January is crazy busy. We're waiting for Jessel and Carisha to come over. We're gonna be showing them the house. We're gonna have breakfast together, but there's literally nothing in this house. I'll show you what is in his house, because our lovely neighbors have got us like bottles of champagne and stuff. My cousin bought us some martini prosecco, and we've got things like chocolate digestives, Coke Zero. But yeah, there's literally like nothing in the house, but we're super excited to be doing everything up, and really excited to like share this journey with you, because this is the first time we've actually bought a house together. I'm gonna maybe get some like water or something ready for when Jessel and Carisha come over. Oh, by the way, so Carisha makes amazing cakes. She was on, what was that show called? Extreme Bakers?
Extreme Bakers.
I think it was, yeah, no, it's Extreme Cakers, Extreme Bakers. She was on Channel 4, and she makes the most insane cakes, and I've been saying to her for quite a while, I'm like, I want to come and like help you make a cake, or at least watch you make a cake. So when she comes over, we will ask
Extreme Cake Makers.
Extreme Cake Makers on Channel 4. I think it was on last year, like April time. Series 3, episode 24, she's on there, but she is coming over with Jessel, which is my husband's really good friend. Maybe I can do a vlog where I actually go and like watch her make a cake, because that would be so cool, because yeah, her cakes are just insane. It's really weird because I never want to put like a camera in front of people's faces, but yeah, we'll see if she wants to be in my vlog. But yeah, super excited. Sorry about the echo. Good things are coming in this year. So guys, we are at the house, and look who I'm here with! This is Carisha! Whoa, it's really dark here. I just spoke to her about going to her unit to make some cakes, and she's so down. We're gonna plan something. Day of making cakes. Maybe we can do like makeup inspired cakes. What's that? Makeup inspired cakes. We'll make we're gonna make some lipstick cakes. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
check those out.
You look very happy. here, there's like literally like 10 samples of paint. Hopefully we find one that we like. What are you doing? What are you doing?
What do you have in your Subway?
I have a veggie patty on 9-grain wheat, sometimes the honey egg one. But vegetable-wise, I have everything, but no olives and no gherkins.
What about sauce?
Sauce, I have chipotle, Southwest, honey mustard, and sriracha. And it's got loads in it. It's actually like overfilling with. So let's open it. Let's see. Yeah. That is so sick. Running loads of errands. We had Subway in between and we've just now painted a few samples of paint on our wall here. This one wasn't supposed to be here, it's supposed to be on like a feature wall that we want to do, which our painter, Dan the Man, who I will introduce you to you guys later on. But basically, this is supposed to not be here, but there's some 3 really neutral, this shade, which you cannot even see, and then this shade over here. We're just gonna wait for these to dry a little bit and then figure out what color we wanna paint the whole house. They're all Dulux colors, but our painter has a really good contact at like a trade paint place. So it's really good actually to get your house painted by a professional, because I find that they get better deals, they really know what they're talking about, and they can give you little hints and tips and tricks to do within the house when it comes to painting. And plus, we just don't have the time to paint the house. It's gonna take Dan about, what did he say, like 2 weeks?
More than that.
More than 2 weeks, yeah, more than 2 weeks to paint the house. And he's very particular and very neat with his work. Yeah, I'll introduce you guys to him later. I've already told him that he may be in my vlog. Yeah, so we picked a few colors here, which we're gonna go and paint on the, like, it's called a floating, what's it called, Bubs?
Floating feature wall.
A floating feature wall, which we're gonna do like one side up the whole house. But we're just, my husband's literally measuring up the area where our fridge freezer is gonna go. 69 centimeters? Yeah, 69 inches. I'm really bad at this. We actually went into Curry's today to have a look at just like what kind of stuff that they have in there. And oh my God, like I didn't realize like the technology behind like a TV and a fridge, and I'm just like mind blown. I'm actually really excited. This really obviously means that we are proper like adults now, which is scary and exciting all at the same time. But we're gonna go paint some options over on our feature wall and hopefully we can make a decision. I legit just took a nap. I'm so tired. It's getting actually really late now and I feel like I'm just gonna carry this nap on and I'm gonna go to sleep. It's been such a long day. Like by the time we finished all the house stuff, it was like 8 o'clock almost. But back to work this week. I'm really excited. I'm just excited for this year and just like the next few months and how they pan out. And tomorrow the work starts in my new studio, but I'm definitely gonna get some sleep. I actually can't believe how sleepy and tired I am. I literally have like no energy. So we used to have this big like wall here that used to come out. You can see right here that it's like all gone. But this is what we're left with. We're trying to see if we can open this up. So we're gonna get a structural engineer in to see if we can like create some sort of like sliding doors or just something around here just to let more light into the house. And we're getting rid of this fireplace and we're gonna have a TV on the wall here. We also painted this last night, full on just white paint, because we want this room to look really bright. And then we're gonna have hopefully dark floors in here. We're unsure yet because we've got grey sofas that we've ordered. We've got rid of all the lights on the walls. But yeah, this is what the living room's looking like right now. It's very empty. And also we were just gonna paint like 3 colors on here, which was this one, this one, and this one. But then we ended up painting all of them. But we're trying to make a decision as to which one we want to go for our floating feature wall, which is basically this wall all the way up the house. So I spoke spoke to my husband's cousin, who is a interior designer, and she gave us loads of ideas of little things that we can do in the house just to kind of break up like the color. And basically she told us about textured walls, and I mentioned this to our painter yesterday, and he was like, oh, from Crown Paints you can get like this new paint that they've come out with, which is like a suede effect. So I am at Homebase and I am going to pick up, I think they've got 3 options for greys, and I'm gonna go and pick those 3 colors up as samples and paint them on the wall. We've already got Milan and his team there knocking a wall down and also working on my studio. I'm gonna go and get these paints first, and hopefully they'll have a little bit of time to, oh my god, why are you not closing? Oh, let me show you guys this. My cousin, as like a joke present, got me this, which is me and Ivy in a frame. Isn't she the cutest dog ever? I actually went to go see them yesterday, but I completely forgot to take my camera in because she goes insane whenever she sees me. She literally like freaks out and runs around. Hopefully I can go see them this weekend and show you guys exactly what I mean about how cute she is. But right now we're gonna go get some paint. Hopefully they have them in stock, and hopefully they have like samples of it, and then we can go and paint them on the walls and see which one's the best one. I just walked into the house and I see this, literally a massive hole in the wall. So this is our living room, and that's our dining room, and our kitchen's just there. But we've basically opened it up just to allow more light into the room. But then we're gonna put like big like glass doors? Glass doors, sliding doors. My husband's cousin, who's an interior designer, said that we can actually put like, it's almost like a really light curtain which goes all the way from the top and skims the bottom, and it's kind of like see-through-ish, just to break the room up, and then there's not like a constant glass in the way. So we might do that. I just have to speak to Milan and see. Milan, where are you? Milan, who is my husband's cousin, so my brother-in-law, keeps running away from me and he doesn't want to be on here. That's our fireplace, which is gone. Kaput. Everything's like coming along. It looks like a complete tip at the moment. But yeah, we're really excited to get like all these little changes that we wanted to do done. It's very exciting. I have just painted 3 different colors of that suede paint onto this wall. This is the darkest shade. I believe this is like gray. I don't know if it's picking it up, but it's got a slight like grain to it, which makes it give it that like suede effect. This is like the mid gray. I think you can see it better on here, like the little speckles. I think it's like mixed with like cotton or something to make it give it that like suede effect. And this is the lightest gray. So this is like the most subtle grey. I've kind of painted another square on top of the back square because I don't know why, it was like really like uneven. And then this is the colour of the walls that we're having in this room. It's just polished pebble from Dulux. I mean, I'm gonna wait until they've dried. We might check what it's looking like tomorrow and then kind of see whether or not we want to go for this kind of textured wall. I think it's going to look quite different once it's dried, because I always find paint slightly changes colour when it's dry. So yeah, we'll see what it's looking like tomorrow and then just go from there. But hopefully we can have a decision for Dad. I've got like paint all over my nails. But yeah, they are done knocking the wall down downstairs. Now we've just got to try and find a company who will make some sort of like sliding glass doors in that area. You can probably hear them like hacking away at stuff downstairs. Where there's a will, there's a way. We're gonna make this happen. I'm so cold. This house is actually freezing. I've just put the heating on in our bedroom. Okay, so we've just come to Greg's to break our fast because we do intermittent fasting, which I haven't been very good at over the past since getting married. So we're gonna try a vegan sausage roll from Greg's. We've been talking about it in all of our group chats on WhatsApp, haven't we? So go for it.
Yeah, go on.
Ready? It's really hot. It's literally just come out of the oven. That's very nice. People coming in here and ordering just vegan sausage rolls. It's crazy. Greg's need to add more vegan stuff onto the menu and just more veggie, vegan, just stuff in general. I've always wanted Greg's to make a baked beans and cheese pasty. Like, I think that would taste so good. But literally, they just brought out a massive like tray of them, and there's 1, 2, 3, there's 5 left. We've just sat down. Good on you, Greg. Good on you. I know they're getting a lot of stick from it from a lot of strange people on the internet, but hats off to Greg. And we'll be back here again. So we've just picked our flooring We're gonna go for black oak in the parquet style. So exciting. The company that we're using is Clandine. Amazing for LVT. We're in the car and we are trying to hunt down some vegan sausage rolls. Woo! We want to get some more. We want to get some more. We just went to one Greg's, but now we're trying the second Greg's. Second time lucky. Woo! Where do I need to go? 3 vegan, 1 normal for Sergo. Yeah. This is a better angle, kind of. Right here. I thought we could just see my steering wheel half the time. This week is so busy. Hello. I'm gonna say it all the time. Hello.
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 Yeah, people might start using it, you might start a trend.
I might start a thing.
Actually, I don't
Hello.
know.
Hello.
I don't know.
Hello.
I can't see people ever using.
I do. I can see everyone using henna. Henna. This is where that thing happened. Where that car crashed into the... Jeez. Yes, there's not even a queue. Putting the positive vibes out there. The comparison between the normal sausage rolls and the vegan sausage rolls is like, the vegan one's so much more healthier as well. But literally, it tastes so nice. Like, I couldn't stop thinking about it the other day. Yay! I think he's found them! Yay! So we're gonna go and take one to Milan, or Milan as we call him. Yay! He found them! Yay! I'm so excited! Did they? They had loads. What do you think of it? Go on, ready?
It's nice, you know. Wow, it's actually very nice.
It's nice, isn't it? Sergo, how was your normal sausage roll?
Nice.
Next time, we're gonna give Sergo a vegan one, see if he notices. That'll be the true test.
I don't think you can, you know.
Coming from the true, pure vegetarian.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Yeah, looks like, smells like it. This is Dan the man, guys. He's our painter, and Milan just had a go and do it again with the spritzer.
No, I'm scared.
No, go on, you can do
He
it.
said to me he's going to write, I can't swear, can I?
You better not. But yeah, all the paint work has started. We had our vegan spring rolls. Not spring rolls, vegan sausage rolls.
We're ready to roll now.
Ready to vegan sausage roll away. If you know, you know. This is actually dust though. This is not no cleaning. Ew. They told me I couldn't touch this when it was wet, but now I am. So weird. What's this called?
Foam. Expanding foam.
Expanding foam. Wow. Bye.
See ya.
I feel like this entire vlog, I've just looked like this the whole time. I'm basically packing for Paris. I'm going to be in Paris and London, and I'm doing some exciting stuff. So I'm going to end the vlog here so I can split this up. I'm still getting used to like how I'm going to vlog my weeks and all of that, so please bear with me for the first couple of months. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this new year, new house, new everything vlog, and I shall see you all in my next one. Bye.